Korean Family Structure Terms, Part 2 Words. Learning New Words, Part 2. Sisters,
자매,
brothers,
형제,
brother and sister,
남매,
uncle, one's father's brother. It is especially used to refer to an unmarried married sibling of the father.
삼촌,
Uncle, father's older brother.
큰아버지,
Uncle, father's younger brother.
작은아버지,
Aunt, one's father's sister.
고모,
Grandfather, on mother's side.
외할아버지,
Grandmother, on mother's side.
외할머니,
Uncle, one's mother's brother.
외삼촌,
Aunt, one's mother's sister.
이모,
It's your turn. Repeat after me.
자매, 형제, 남매, 삼촌, 큰아버지, 작은아버지, 고모, 외할아버지, 외할머니, 이모.
Part 2 Vocabulary Review. Guess the Korean words we learned by watching the English word and photo. What do we call female siblings in Korean?
자매,
What do we call male siblings in Korean?
형제,
What do we call a brother and sister pair in Korean?
남매,
What do we call father's brother in Korean? It is especially used to refer to an unmarried male sibling of the father.
삼촌,
What do we call father's older brother in Korean?
큰아버지,
What do we call father's younger brother in Korean?
작은아버지,
What do we call father's sister in Korean?
고모,
What do we call mother's father in Korean?
외할아버지,
What do we call mother's mother in Korean?
외할머니,
What do we call mother's brother in Korean?
외삼촌,
What do we call mother's sister in Korean?
이모.